Hello smart civil engineers. I'm Engineer Masroor and you are watching Engineering Network YouTube channel. I'm back with another important topic. So in today's video, our topic is how to calculate the quantity of whitewash or paint for a house. Now this is basically the 8th part of the complete house estimation course. And also I am requesting you that please watch the complete house estimation course so that you can understand this video and also the coming videos of this course. Okay? You will find the entire course in the I button as well. So basically in today's video, I am going to show you how to calculate the quantity of whitewash or paint for a house. Now before I start this very important video, I have a request from you guys. So if you find this video informative, then please like this video, share it with your friends, and if you are new to my channel, then please click on the subscribe button and also make sure to press the bell icon for more civil engineering videos. Okay, so our topic in today's video is how to calculate the quantity of whitewash, paint or distemper for a house. Okay, now the quantity of whitewash or paint depends on the surface area of the house. So in order to find out the total quantity of whitewash or paint, first I have to calculate the total surface area of the house, right? Now here for the surface area of the house, I have created my own formula which is equal to surface area of the walls plus surface area of the roof, beams, columns and doors minus surface area of the openings. Okay, so this is the simple formula that I have created and I hope that you guys will find this formula very easy and helpful. So let's name this formula as equation 1, right? Now first let's find out the area of walls. Here let me tell you that I will provide paint from both inside and outside to the wall of the house. Okay? So the area of the wall is equal to numbers into length into height. Here number is 2 because I will apply paint or whitewash from both inside and outside to the walls of the house. Okay, so the numbers will be 2. Here I will take the length of the center line above the ground level which is 184 feet. And I have already explained it in my previous video of the complete house estimation course. So kindly watch that video first. And the height of the walls is 9 feet. Okay, so the surface area of the walls is equal to 2 multiplied by 184 feet multiplied by 9 feet. And the total surface area of the walls will become 3312 square feet. Okay, next is the area for roof, beams, columns and also doors as well. Now here I will use my own experience and normally on site 10% paint or whitewash is used in floors, beams, columns and doors to the total surface area of the walls. Okay, so the surface area of floors, beams, columns and doors is equal to 10 divided by 100 multiplied by the surface area of the walls which is 3312 square feet. So the total area of floor, beams, columns and doors will become 331.2 square feet, right? Next is the area for openings. Now in this house, I have 3 doors of 4 feet by 7 feet, 4 windows of 4 feet by 6 feet, and 3 ventilators of 1 feet by 1 feet. Okay? So the area of openings is equal to area of doors which is 3 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 7 plus area of 4 windows which is 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 6 plus area of 3 ventilators which is 3 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 and the total surface area of openings will become 183 square feet. Okay? So now I have got the surface area of walls, surface area of floors, beams, columns and doors, and also I have got the surface area of openings as well. So now I will use equation 1 in order to find out the total surface area of this house for whitewash or paint. Okay? So the total surface area of this house is equal to total surface area of walls, which is 3312 square feet, plus total surface area of floor, beams, columns and doors, which is 331.2 square feet, minus total surface area of openings, which is 183 square feet. Okay? And the total surface area of this house will become 3460.2 square feet, right? Now this 3460.2 square feet is the surface area for only one coat of paint or whitewash. And as you know that this is the new house and I'm applying paint or whitewash for the first time. So I have to provide minimum of 2 coats of paint or whitewash. Okay? So the total surface area for 2 coats of paint or whitewash is equal to 2 multiplied by 3460.2 and it will become 6920.4 square feet. So this is the total surface area of this house after the deduction of openings. Now let's find out the amount or quantity of paint for this house. Okay? Now for new house, in 1 square feet, 0.020 liter paint is used. And for the old house where paint is already done and you only want to repaint the house. So in such case, for 1 square feet, 0.0150 liter paint is used. Okay? Now as I told you that this is the new house and I am applying the paint for the first time. So the quantity of paint or whitewash is equal to total surface area of the house, which is 6920.4 square feet, multiplied by 0.020 liters, which is the quantity of paint in 1 square feet. Okay? And after calculations, the total quantity of paint for this house will become 138.4 liters. Okay? Now in market, you will get the paint in the form of cans. And normally, there are large and small cans. Okay? So in large cans, 14.46 liters paint are provided. And in small cans, you will get 3.64 liter paint. Okay? Now here it totally depends on you whether you buy large cans of paint or small cans of paint. Because let's say if you have only one room to paint, then one small can of paint will be enough for you. But in case if you have a big house to paint, then it is recommended to buy large cans of paint. Okay? So for this house, let me find out the number of both large and small cans of paint. So the number of large cans of paint is equal to total quantity of paint, which is 138.4 liters, divided by quantity of one large can of paint, which is 14.64 liters. And the total number of large cans of paint will become 10 cans. Okay? Similarly, the number of small cans of paint is equal to 138.4 divided by quantity of paint in small cans, which is 3.64 liters. And the total number of small cans of paint is equal to 38 cans, right? So as you can see for this house, either I will buy 10 large cans of paint or 38 small cans of paint. Okay? So this is how you can easily calculate the quantity of paint or whitewash required for a new house. Now in this particular video, I have find out the total quantity of whitewash or paint, number of large cans of paint and small cans of paint. Okay? Now here I will end this video. But before I go, I have a request from you guys. If you find this video informative, then please like this video, share it with your friends, and if you are new to my channel, then please click on the subscribe button and also make sure to press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. See you in the next video.